So we're here with Sven.
Sven.
Yeah. From it's ARWINGER.
ARWINGER, yeah.
And we're looking at this morning
at the Kassetten-Trenntoilette, or in English, cassette separation toilet. Yeah, the cassette separation toilet is a new invention from Germany. So I did it on my own, I invented it, and we are bringing it into the UK market now. We are converting your chemical toilet into a separation toilet just by changing the upper part of the toilet, which means here's usually only one hole, and we are now separating the solid from the liquid on top of the toilet itself in the bowl by just exchanging the interior of the bowl itself. So we're not destroying anything in the bathroom.
No.
This is done here on top. For the models 200, 220, 250, 260, so all the turnable toilets are,
yeah, we've got the
and they are still turnable. So it's, we keep track on that the functionality is the same as before, because usually in the bathroom you don't have the space to have it in that way.
Yeah.
On the other hand, if we are separating on top, we have to separate on the bottom as well, and therefore we invented this cassette. So we're exchanging the cassette itself as well, which means the cassette here is two parts. In front, the solid will put in, it will fall down just by gravity, and we put it in a bag here. And we do take the sawdust on top of it. So if you have the sawdust there, it will dry out and it will not smell anymore. That's the part for the solid part. And it could be just wrapped and wasted or binned like Pampers or something. Yeah. The liquid part will go by a liquid pipe or by urine pipe in the backside here, through this opening here, and can be also separated and dumped.
Yeah.
So if we want to look here, we can just take it out. And this is now the small part for the urine. You can release it in any toilet or anywhere where you are allowed to dump urine. Because it's pure urine, it will not smell. So that's the idea. And we don't flush any water anymore. Your water, what you're using, what you're carrying with you, you can use that for any other thing, which is important, more important than flushing it into the toilet. The second thing is, you don't need any chemicals anymore. This is not only for the environmental good, it's also for your pocket good, because you save money, a lot of money then.
Absolutely.
So, and we are not destroying anything. So if you have a brand new Caravan, you can just exchange the 220 or 200 or the 250 and 260 model without getting an issue with the warranty. So that's the whole idea of getting this separation toilet in, but not destroying anything.
That's very good. And what sort of prices are we
Usually
looking
the
at?
prices in Germany, it's 1,200 to 1,300 euro. In the UK, we started also to consider that as a price. We got already the feedback that this probably might be too high. And we are thinking of getting an introductional price for the UK market for 995 then, so that we are below this 1,000 barrier, That's it.
Well,
that's the whole idea,
Time you've saved on chemicals and
Sure,
water.
and time. You don't have to search for any dump station. Think about that. The time you're saving, it's money against free time.
Oh yeah, definitely.
People do a lot of wild camping now, so we're always looking for places too. And if you're going with a big cassette, it's not nice. Chemicals.
Oh, that's brilliant. Okay, so it was ARWINGER.
Yeah. We have an English website as well. If you turn it around, there's also the website. You can scan it here. And we have a map with all the installers. We have at least 20 installers in Germany and through Switzerland and Austria. And our distributor for UK is already also here. It's Paul. And we will establish installers here in the UK as well. So, but you can do it on your own as well. It lasts at least 30 to 35 minutes to convert it.
So are they available now?
Technically they are available. What we have to declare is now the customs and taxes to get it over to the UK. It's just a commercial part, but technically it's finished and it's a product which is in place.
So do you think by the October show you will have this here?
Hopefully, yes. We will be back in the October. No, it's already. I think we will do that in the next 2 to 3 weeks. You can purchase it and can just use it online and all by the installer.
So then it will definitely be here in
the
October show.
Hopefully, yeah.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah. And also on the boat show, because what I've heard or learned here is that the narrow boats have these 2 Z4 toilets as well. So we will be here back in May when the boat show is big boat show.
That's interesting.
So you're in Hall 5?
Hall 5, 5090. 5090 is the booth here. Yeah, if someone wants to have a look at and...
We'll get that outfit later on and get...
That's brilliant.
Great.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much and have fun.